In this video, we are going to learn how to make a simple physics simulation in Blender. So let's start. So this is my default scene. Press A, X and delete. Click on add mesh and add a plane. Scale it up to 10 times. Press tab, right click, subdivide. Enter the value of 10 or 20 is fine. Okay. Press tab to exit the edit mode. Now we are going to add a simple cube. Press G, Z2, press S, X and scale it like this. Press Ctrl A and apply scale. Select this, press tab, press Ctrl R and add the number of loop cuts. It is up to you how many loop cuts you want. And similarly, press Ctrl R and add horizontal loop cuts. You can notice that there are quite a lot of loop cuts here, but not here, not here. The reason is that this surface is going to be used in simulation. So higher the number of subdivision, better will be the simulation results. Press tab to exit the edit mode. Press G, Y. Press G, Z little bit downwards. Press add, click on monkey, G, Z. Now select the monkey uh, and right click shade auto smooth, or we can add a simple subdivision and apply this. Okay, now what I will do is select this, go to not constraint, physics, click on rigid body. In my case it will be active, and in shape type click on mesh. So what will mesh do? It will automatically see what is the mesh data and do the simulation as per the mesh data. That is much better, will give better results. And in sensitivity ignore. In dynamics increase the damping and increase this value. So what is damping? As you can see, amount of linear velocity that is lost over time. So higher the damping value, higher will be the loss. Lower the damping value, lower will be the loss. You can choose as per your requirement. Select this, press Shift D, enter G X. Select this, press Shift D, enter G X. Select three of them, press G Y, and let's place it here. Select this surface, click on rigid body, but this time it will be passive. Passive basically means that it is a solid body and it is not going to move or controlled by anything. So it is a passive body. It will be just state space, nothing going to happen with it. And here click on mesh. So why? The thing is that yes, it is not going to move, but I want if any other object touch with it, I can calculate. So that is the reason I done this. And friction 1, and make sure friction 1 in all of them. You can see the bounciness. So 0 means stay still, 1 is perfectly elastic. So I want to stay still. Now select this one, click on rigid body, active, but also click on animated. And here click on mesh, friction 1, damping value, and this value. Now, what is the meaning of animated? So basically, I can animate this and do the physical simulation as well. For example, in this case, notice I doesn't check the animated, so I can't animate this property. But here I check the animated, so I can animate this property. So let's see what I mean. Select this, press I, click on location, go to the frame 80, press G, Y, and press I, location. Now if I go to the first position and click on play, you can see the whole animation now. Now what we can do is, now let's add some textures. So like this, add some textures. So let's make it black, and this one may be blue or green, like this. Same color. Add a world node. Make it transparent. Make the color management to standard. So you can see this is how it look like in color simulation. And just, yeah, render it out and you will get the results. Okay, I forgot to do this thing, encoding, impact for 24. Make sure this frame rate and this frame rate are same, else you will face some issues. And give the project file name, let's say physics, and click on render animation. Okay, there is no camera, so I have to add a camera as well. So add a camera, click on view. As you can see, my camera is already selected, so click on view, view, align active camera to view, press N, view, select these two. Now if I click on render image, you can see how it looks like. Let's say I want to have a white background. So I will go to the compositing, click on use nodes. This image will only appear if you have rendered one image, else it will not appear. Click on add, color, alpha over, put it here, make it white, render image. Notice white color is there in the background. So now I can do the just to know rendering. So click on here, render animation. So that's for all. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. Feel free to ask any kind of doubt and queries. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.